Hello. Okay, we're planting 45 gladiolas today, and it's a great deal, $15 for 45 of these gorgeous gladiolas. Now, this is about 3 weeks after the first batch of 45 were planted over there, and it's an argument in favor of planting them all together en masse, shoulder to shoulder, because of course it's easier, and also it makes a very dramatic statement here for $15. So I mean, you would spend $15 on a nice plant easily. So when you're planting these, you put them pretty much shoulder to shoulder, and you can see there's a bit of a wick here sticking out, and underneath it's indented. Okay, and the roots come out of the indented part. Sometimes it's quite tough to tell, you have to really examine it. But you dump the bag in, and then you spend 5 minutes arranging these so that the wick is sticking up and the little indent is sticking down. Then loosely scatter some soil over it like this so that they don't shift around when you dump everything else back in. Now, the only thing remaining to do here, once the soil is completely back in, is... we got a loose hoiker here. Or hoochera, hoochera. We're gonna put him back in the soil and see if he comes back, because sometimes they'll just root. So the only last thing we do is we take this hoop and we sink it in very deep as it'll go, because first of all, we don't want it so obvious, and secondly, okay, we're stuck. Let's try a different hole. You want to go as deep as it'll go, because as the gladiolas get taller, you can lift the hoop up higher and grab them around the shoulders. Meanwhile, they have a place to go here. Okay. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay. Now try and make that level so that it's not that visible. And we're done. Toss in some loose soil and wait for the flowers to come. Alright, until next time. Okay, past the Gerbera daisies and the phlox that's just coming. Had to get sprayed with fungicide today because it is prone. Here we have our hoop of gladiolas just planted. Won't be up for another 5 or 6 weeks. And then behind it, you may recall, is an ancient gate. This is the original wrought iron gate for the house. It was at the front of the property and then got moved here to the corner of the house as a decorative element. Last spring I planted 2 Mandevilla on it, knowing that their chances of survival was next to zero. They're a very delicate plant, and I think what I learned from Mandevilla last summer was to not bother with the smaller ones. If it's in the budget, get a nice big well-established one, because summer in Vancouver is too short for Mandevilla, and so you need it already mostly grown and growing fast. So these 2 struggled all last summer, and the display on this gate was less than satisfying. So flash forward to this spring, the homeowner is talking about passion flower and how much she likes it. So I went and did some research and found that there is a particular species of passion flower that is light blue, and it is right here, just planted. Here is the tag. I don't know if you can read that. Blue passion flower is supposedly the strongest, longest lasting. And so I put in these new trellises that are kind of church-like for it to grow up this summer, and if it does well, I will add a segment to this video. Meanwhile, on the back of the gate, where the Mandevillas did not do well last summer, I have put a third patch in flower. And this one, right here, very small, you can see is called Lavender Lady. And Lavender Lady is supposed to have a lot of fragrance, but may not be perennial. So this may not be a long-term solution for this lovely old gate on the corner of the house. And as you can see, the lilac is about to bloom. So it is lilac season. Until next time.